think this is my first ever trip where I feel so not excited to leave. Currently, I'm doing my last minute Fashion Week preps. This is the life of someone who hates fitting. I am off to have my hair done. It's finally time for my fringe to be back. I just want to show you all the stuff I have to pack. So let's begin. Okay, so we're done with clothes. Now we're gonna go for bags. And on to the shoes. Now packing my accessories. Bye-bye. Hello from the Philippines. We're back. So I'm here for less than a week before I fly out again for New York Fashion Week. And so currently I'm doing my last minute Fashion Week preps. So we're about to go pull out from Tommy Hilfiger. It's one of the shows that I'm attending at New York Fashion Week. We usually do the pulls for New York for shows that we're attending. For example, if a brand wants to dress us for their show, usually we get it from New York mismo because they usually have more of the current stuff and they have more selects as well, and it's also easier for everyone. But this year, I don't know, for some reason, SSI Philippines, who handles Tommy Hilfiger, told us that this year it's gonna be done here in the Philippines. So we're gonna do like a quick pull out and I'm gonna see what I can put together for the show. And then after that, we're also gonna go to Louis Vuitton to do a pull out as well. In case I'm not able to pull out from their New York showroom, I'm gonna be doing it here. They don't have a show there, but I really wanna wear LV and see what can work with my street style looks for Fashion Week.
What have we decided on?
We decided on the lemon. We have come up with two looks, but it'll still depend on my final styling when I get there. So hopefully the brand will allow me to pull all of these. We'll see. But we have this green dress and two pink tops and denim pants. Now off to our second store, which is Louis Vuitton. Just waiting for Ginger, Louis Vuitton Madame, to meet me for my styling sesh. We're now here. Ginger, our Madame Louis Vuitton here. She takes care of us always. So they've already set aside some options for me. This is a winner because I really like to be subtle and simple. Ta-da! Yeah, that's very subtle. Yanni says it reminds him of my last LV New York Fashion Week look because it was also a denim on denim look. Yeah, it was all over. This is more less LV logo, but super love the structure print. Yeah, very distinct print. So yeah, we're going colorful. Imagine I'm actually wearing them. This is the life of someone who hates fitting. Okay, so I just came from a shoot. It's a brand new day. It's officially a day before I fly out. And I am off to have my hair done. It's finally time for my fringe to be back after so many years. I'm going to Coupe Studio and we'll see what will happen if I'll color my hair as well. I don't know, I'm not sure. But I'll bring you guys with me. It's part of my New York Fashion Week preps. How pretty. Thank you. Now here, I decided to pay well to the side. But we're going for jet black with a few peekaboo highlights. I am excited to see how it goes. Also, we're going to do bangs later, as promised. I can't believe this is just my second time in the salon in more than 2 years. So now I'm finally back at home. I just came back from the salon and also from Belo because I had a cleaning. Took out my pimples. But anyways, I wasn't able to show you guys the final hair, but that's on purpose so you guys could just see it when I'm already at New York. But you can already kind of tell what it is, but I'll just explain it more when I'm already there. So now, on to our next New York Fashion Week preparation. Da-da-da! So I'm having my nails done by Posh Nails and then it's time to pack. Wanna sit? Okay, hold on. So I've already done my nails. But my feet though, accidentally hit it. But anyway, okay lang, it's on the pinky toe so it's not so obvious. But I just want to show you all the stuff I have to pack. So let's begin. actually have all the stuff also that I ordered from abroad and had shipped to my in-laws. So I brought them home from Prague because they brought them to me to Prague. I haven't tried any of these on yet. Yeah, they're all super cute. I think we need a system. All the buttons here. Christopher and Spur. This one is also super cool. But I don't know how to pack it properly. There's like a bunch of horsehair around it. Let's put that last. Actually, scratch that. Let's just pack whatever we have. We're gonna unpack everything anyways. All at the same time. Super cute. The only cute vest. So as you can probably already tell from these, I'm going really, really colorful and lots of prints this time because it's spring, summer, and it's New York. And now we have here something from Chita Rivera. This is from her latest collection. It's a little bit risque, the skirt. I'm gonna show you why. So it's got this really cute blazer. And then this is the skirt. Look at how tiny it is. It's got a little bit of a slit situation here. It's got a really long train though, but oh my gosh. And the top is even tinier. And then this one is a really cool dress by one of my favorites, Hamo. You guys know that I love them. They actually did my dress for Sienna's first birthday. Ta-da! Got some skirts from them. I love them because they're so edgy. All their pieces are really eye-catching. Also got this skirt from them. Really cool print. And then this super plain dress. It's a pink dress. This is how it looks. Don't know if you can tell, but Yanni is hiding there because he's just in his underwear. PG-13. But yeah, can't imagine it right now, but it's gonna be amazing. And then we have here some separates that I got from DD Daily, one of my favorite brands. Got this really oversized blazer, but it's a short sleeve blazer. It goes black and cream. And also this super cute blue set. So cute. Comes with shorts too. Bunch of stuff from Louis Vuitton. Really fun, colorful stuff. Louis Vuitton clothes really have that certain smell. Really cute, this one. Comes in a matching top. This is my favorite. Super structured denim jacket. I showed you guys this. Cute. Then we have here something from Cul-de-sac. Super cute Kenzo stuff. These are actually for men. Hey, got them for myself. I think we're pretty much done with the clothes. Still have just a few more to add. And on to the shoes. These are the selects that I'm bringing with me. I have 3 pairs of this. 3 colors for this specific pair because I really love them. These Prada heels, these Ganni slippers, and then my Chanel's Radical and these Kate boots. I still have a few more pairs actually and clothes that are already waiting for me in New York. So I think this is enough. Daming options. This is my first time bringing this much options, even for the clothes, because like I didn't get to pre-style anything, so that's why I need so much options. And we're gonna put shoes. We're gonna separate the shoes so that just in case one luggage goes, I knock on wood, goes missing or is delayed, I have shoes here, I have shoes there. A bit more clothes. Found some jeans. And these red pants. Favorite Hamo jeans. Pink pants. This is Marjan. Purple fringe skirt. So we're all about color, as I've said. Some tulle stuff from my favorite Dries Van Noten. Prada Bando. I feel like this will last me until Milan Fashion Week already. There's no use trying to fold this properly because this one gets wrinkled all the freaking time. Okay, so we're done with clothes. Now we're gonna go for bags. I have these bags from Louis Vuitton, which will be returned, which is why I'm just gonna check them just to make sure I don't get charged for any damage. It's really so cute. These are all gonna be hand carried, so I will cry if they get lost. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I have an entire hand carry for myself. This beautiful twist bag. my god, it's pristine. Must not do anything to it. So pretty. Look at that. Chain is also kind of like a rainbow. Like its little logo there. And we have this bright pink bag. I love. Comes with a chain. But it also comes with this strap. It's a bit more sporty. Super cute. Looks good, looks good. And then we're gonna bring my own bags. Prada bag, which you guys have seen. I put this on this luggage. Oh, I also have these hats. I'm still waiting for 2 more hats actually that I had made here locally. That's super cute. I'm gonna bring all my tiny little Chanels with me. Buti lang they're tiny, so they're all gonna fit. My Dior bag. My tiny Chanel. Oh my gosh, they all fit! Yay! Okay, so that is it for my bags. We'll continue packing tomorrow. Good night. Okay, so the packing continues. Now packing my accessories. I already have some of my favorites. My favorite earrings. Got LV, Prada, Chanel. This is from a American-based designer. This is from Change only. We have stuff also here. Let's continue packing. I'm gonna bring this one from Louis Vuitton as well. A bunch of my other like costume jewelry. A bunch of these fun, colorful ones. I have this really cool headpiece that I bought way back. Never got to wear it. It's from Area. Never wore it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear it now too, but you know, let's bring it anyways. Packing a few more hats with me. Had this made by a local designer. Her name is Joanna. So cute. I got it in 2 colors. One in green and one in orange. It's very pillowy soft. You can sleep on it. Santa Claus awake! Mommy kiss. Dada is in a meeting. Dada po. Oh, go check. Dada's not there. But you can check. Up again. Up. Okay, help mommy pack then. Whoop. No. So this I just got from Carl Jan Cruz. Love his designs. Always been a super fan. I got these like really nice texture pieces. Pack them here. This one as well. I won't open it because we packed it so nicely. But it's a really interesting like drape piece. Yes, my love. You want to wear mommy sunnies? Here, mommy shows you what you look like. Bringing some sunnies with me. And my favorite one. No, mommy has to keep it now, my love. Okay. Also bringing fashion tape. This is a gift from Zalora. And sewing kit. Gift from H&M. Maybe I can still cancel my flight.
You checked in now.
I think this is my first ever trip where I feel so not excited to leave and so sad to leave.
Play Sienna about her.
No.
Good luck. Enjoy. Have fun.
Bye, everyone.
It's gonna be fun. We keep sending you pictures and videos.
Okay, see you guys in New York, everyone.